win game 2 or what? We doing this for Fernando, baby. Yeah. Just like game 1, homie. Sing it, LA. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No, everybody freeze on your knees. West Coast, please. Before any of you Yankees get hard. Homie, rewind my part, sing it. When you come to our town. When you west with Bam. Cause we ain't no haters like you. Bow down to a team that's greater than you. When you come to our town, y'all. When you west with Pound, y'all. Cause we ain't no haters like you. Bow down to a team that's greater than you, fool. How y'all feeling out there today?
California.
Everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Back a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines, serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like I'm Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah.